Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Swapnali, and today I have a fun video which I don't think I have done before, because honestly I didn't have so many products before. I actually have 5 of their lipsticks. Stays Beauty, they have a lot of different makeup products, and I already do use a couple of their products, and then I did a collaboration with them on their lip balm gloss sticks, which are very good, by the way. I think I will show that also if you guys are interested. But this is something I know a lot of people have asked me. So these 4 I have not tried till today. This is the only one I've tried, and I thought, why not actually open these, try these on, and show you guys how they look. And you'll have an idea in case you want to purchase them, which is the shade for you, because I know many times the shade does not match the picture which is on the website. So I thought, let me do this. So it's basically like a lip gloss. It's a lipstick lip gloss over here, and this is a clear lip gloss. You basically have to apply this and let it sit for some time, and then it kind of becomes transfer proof. So first, let me show you this shade, and this is 01 I'm Cute. And let me show you. Now this is a very beautiful nude shade. If you are someone who is of a lighter skin tone, I think this is the shade for you. It looks matte, but of course they have given the gloss, so if you want, you can apply a gloss on this as well. And honestly, I feel this will work for most of the lighter skin tone people. If you want, you can use a darker brown lip liner if you want to kind of balance it out. But yeah, let me also show you with the gloss. Now the gloss comes in this brush sort of a thing. Oh, this is very nice. Only a little bit of the color came on this gloss. Now I'm just gonna wait for some time, and yeah, we'll see how transfer proof the gloss gets, because honestly I don't think I have ever used this part of the gloss.
A few moments later.
So guys, it has been a good like 5-10 minutes. Yeah, it has been 10 minutes, and the gloss has not like dried. Okay, it is still there. And then I was just reading over here. So nowhere are they saying that the gloss is transfer proof, but they're saying the lipstick, the color one, is transfer proof, which is actually true. The gloss will transfer, but this lipstick is going to stay, and the gloss is to lock the lipstick in. So the gloss might go, but the lipstick shade won't, and that is something I can tell you for sure, that it does not go, because this one stays for a really long time. And I drink 3 drinks, as in, one is a beetroot carrot juice, and I have my collagen, and I have one jeera and sofka water, and this one did not budge throughout the day. So yeah, I think what they say about the color staying on your lips is true. Okay, so let me show you all the shades. Now this was the first 01 I'm Cute. Let's try this 02 I'm Pretty, and this is the color. I'm going to show you the all the colors simultaneously, so you also can understand the difference between the colors. So yeah, this is more of a lighter brown, and this has more of a pinkish tone to it. And guys, don't worry, the ones that I think I'm not going to be using, I will give it to someone, although I think I will use all. Okay, yeah, it's a beautiful color. Yeah, just a beautiful everyday color, and I think this color is going with my brown top. I don't think I have much to say. It's really nice, and I think if you are someone who uses or goes for a lot of mauve shades, this is that. I have applied a very thick coat, but you can also go and just like lightly, oh see, very less, thoda sa aaya fir bhi, but let's wait for some time, the pigment will sort of settle in. But yeah, I was saying, if you're someone who goes for mauve pinks, you can go in for this and use a very light coat, because I'm someone who goes for mauve pinks, and I am kind of liking this color. It's making my skin and my face look more brighter compared to the first one, which was I'm Cute. Okay, look at that. I think if you let the gloss dry first, like your lip color wala gloss, it does not transfer. बिल्कुल नहीं है. Can you see? Actually, this brand is really good. Huh? I already have tried a couple. Like I said, I have used their lipstick. I forgot the shade, but I used to use that. I still use it. And yeah, this is, oops, yeah. This is the second shade. Let's try the third one, which is I'm Bubbly. So I had these lipsticks thinking I'll give them, or I'll do a giveaway, I'll give it away to someone. But I realized I need to be trying out new products and showing you guys. And then I just have to give it to my family and friends, because of course I can't do a giveaway with used product. But my family and friends, it's okay, you know. I mean, come on, have you not used your friends' lipsticks and lip products? But using that of a stranger is weird, but friends and family mein chalta hai. The color, I told you the shade, right? This is 03, I'm Bubbly. Every time I apply a shade, I'm like, this is it. This is my, this is my shade. I'm going to be using this. I thought that for the first one, then for the second one, now this third one. Also, I am like, it's really nice. Again, this is more of a mauve pink color. So let me show you. So this is the 01, this is 02, and this is 03. Now ये थोड़ा dark है 02, 03 थोड़ा सा light होता है. It is something similar to this but lighter. Can you see? Now this is the shade 05. I'm Happy. So now ये थोड़ा सा dark हो रहा है. This is a dark mauve color. So honestly with this color I thought ये brown होगा, but it's not brown. It's this brownish mauve color. Now for dark lipsticks, I'm not doing a great job, but what I like to do honestly is I like to use this pointed part and kind of make a outline and then sort of fill it in. See, you can also blur it out. So here's the thing, all these colors are very beautiful and they're very good for everyday nude colors. I can definitely see myself wearing this for a function, for a party. I think Stays has done a really good job with like nailing the colors for Indian skin tone, because I think a lot of brands जो आते हैं इंडिया में, they are not making the proper lip colors for Indians, which is why वो either थोड़ा हमको mix करना पड़ता है या कुछ. But Stays is doing such a good job. So now let's go in with the next and the last shade, which is 06. I'm Feisty. I love a red lip. Do I wear it? No, because I'm very shy to wear it, to be very honest with you. But I love it. Like at home, I love wearing a red lipstick. I think for this one, you need to use a proper lip liner. Otherwise, आपका lipstick ऐसा एकदम बराबर नहीं दिखेगा. I love this color. I'm just gonna also take some gloss. So yeah, all in all, I think these are really good shades for Indian skin. Like I said, 04 is missing, so let's just roll with that. पता नहीं वो कहाँ पे चला गया है. But all these colors, so honestly all the colors are good. जो मैंने try किया है सारे ही अच्छे हैं. So that is it for this video. I really hope this video helps you out. And let me know if you enjoyed this video, and I would love to make more such videos for you guys. And let me know in the comments what video do you want me to make next. I will be more than happy. And yeah, I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.